In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use your second Snapchat account simultaneously at your Android smartphone. Today I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S3. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And the first of you need to head over to Settings. You can easily do so by tapping at Gear on the home screen. Or if you, for some reason, cannot find Settings up on your home screen, then just swipe down from the top and tap at that right gear over here at the top right corner. Now guys, at Settings we need to scroll all the way down until you find Advanced Features. And then where we can easily find Dual Messenger. This feature allows us to sign into a second account in your favorite social apps. Actually, guys, once we get into Dual Messenger, we can easily find all apps that supports that feature. And now here in that list, we can easily find Snapchat. The app have to be already installed on your device before moving to that page. So now, guys, all you have to do is just activate the struggle. Next to it, here it says we'll be able to sign into another Snapchat account in the second copy of the app. So now once I hit it install, it will create this second copy of Snapchat, which we can easily find at our Apple library. To open it up, we need to swipe up, and here it is. It is marked with the that side with the circle. Here is the original app, and here is the copy. And we can easily boot these apps icon on our home screen, as well as the main app icon. In the same way, we need to long press on it and tap. And so now at our home screen, we have two different Snapchat app icons, that mine one and that second one, which we can use to sign into our secondary Snapchat account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button